Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.1 Sum number 3. Let's see the question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So they are asking us to write the first term and the common difference. First term is very easy. The first one will tell you it is the first term. So first term is easy. For the common difference, they have given this is an AP, so no need to worry. The first term will be the first number. So for the first one, the first term is 3. For the common difference, the formula is A2 minus A1. Here the A2 is the second number, A1, A2, A3. A1 is nothing but the first term. This is your second term. So second term minus the first term. So second term minus the first term. That is nothing but 1 minus 3. Be careful with the sign. Usually people go wrong with the signs. So 1 minus 3. Second one minus first one. That is nothing but minus 2. So the common difference D is equal to minus 2. This is the answer for the first sum. We'll move on to the second one. In the second one, the first term is minus 5. Or write it to be the first term. You can also write A1 or A. Anything you can write. Now the common difference D is A2 minus A1. That is second term minus first term, which is minus 1, here 1 minus, so minus of, for A1 we have minus 5. This becomes, minus into minus will become plus. So minus 1 plus 5, that is nothing but 4. So common difference is 4, first term is minus 5, common difference is 4. We'll move on to the next one, third sum. For the third sum, the first term is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the first term. You can write the first term is equal to 1 by 3. The common difference D is equal to, we know the formula, it is A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 5 by 3 minus the first term is 1 by 3. As the denominator is same, you can write the denominator and you can subtract the numerator. If the denominator is same, you need to write only once. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 3 is the common difference for the third sum. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth one, the first number is 0.6. So A is equal to 0.6 and D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6 is 1.1. So D equal to 1.1. This is the common difference for the fourth sum. And this is your first term 0.6. That's all with the sum. Thank you.